Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to share a contact on your iPhone. Sharing contact allows you to send contact details to someone else. This can be in a text or email form or even through Airdrop. To do this, you can open up your contact app or your iPhone app. They both look at the same contact list. For the iPhone app, you'll need to tap on the contact tab at the bottom. Now from here, select the contact you want to share. After pressing on the contact, you'll see more details about the contact. Tap on Share Contact button at the bottom. A share menu will appear with several options on it. The first option is to share a contact via Airdrop. So if you're sharing a contact with another iPhone user, you can use this option. Tap on Airdrop and then make sure the person who you're sharing appears on your Airdrop screen. Tap on them to share it with. Now the next option is to share it via message. You can share contact details via the message app. Tap on it and then you will need to fill in the to field. Once you fill that in, press send and that will be sent to your contact. The third option is mail option, where you can email the contact details over to a friend or a family member. This will send the contact as a VCF file. Enter in the to field and then press send to send the email. And lastly, you have the option to share it with WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp and then select a contact who you want to share the contact with. So these are the four main channels of sharing contact details on your iPhone. If you swipe right, you have other options which you can share as well. And that is how to share contact on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.